So I'm sure by now, if any of you guys have been studying cybersecurity or trying to learn hacking, ethical hacking, anything of that sorts, or even seen Mr. Robot, you've probably heard of what's called a rubber ducky. It's offered by Hack5. We'll jump in here and take a look. So Flipper Zero has kind of a similar use, I guess you could say. On Flipper Zero, it's called Bad USB. You can run it through Bluetooth through your phone, or you can even build scripts that will run automatically upon plug-in. I'm going to be showing you how to write your own scripts today just using the Flipper Zero, but you'll be able to run it through Bluetooth through your phone straight to the Flipper Zero when it's plugged in. You do this to prank friends and that kind of thing, or you're able to gain Wi-Fi passwords and stuff like it too once you know how to write these scripts and what you need to look for. Also, there will be a link down below to my GitHub that has some of the scripts on there that I've built. If you guys want to check that out and copy them down and put them on your Flipper Zero. But here on Hack5, you can see they have the USB rubber ducky. This is $79, and I know a lot of you guys can't afford $79. I mean, I don't want to drop $80 for a USB either, just to have that one function. I mean, I did pay, 170 something, I think, for my Flipper Zero, but I have other uses for that I can use. So Hack5, like I said, they have the rubber ducky, $79.99. They also have their own studio where you can go and build your payloads. But you'll also notice on their site they have payload here, payload hub. You can go there and you can pull payloads that they have that's built in here. So just kind of expose you guys to this if you haven't never seen it or heard of them. Hack5 makes some really good products. They're really top notch as far as the penetration testing environment. So just wanted to make you guys aware of this, but we'll go ahead and jump in. I'll show you how to write some scripts using, you don't need any special software. We're just going to be using Notepad to do this. You're going to save your files as a TXT file. So not going to cost you anything. You have to spend any money like that on any, special programs. We can all do this in Notepad, or if you're using Linux, you could even do this in Mousepad or Nano. So let me minimize this here and pull up Notepad. Okay, so once we're inside your Notepad application, I want to start off by what's making called like remarks. This is kind of like the notes that you would have in like a coding file that's not really shown to the public. It's just there to tell you what each thing does, just kind of like a general reminder of what each step does for you. So to do a remark Notepad, you're just going to do REM, which is remark, and you put made by whatever your name is. You can feel free to use this any way that you want to. It's not copyright or anything like that, so do what you want to with it. I'll do cyber that. And I always put a remark in here like what this script actually does. So this script opens Chrome, and then it searches YouTube, and then it's going to autoplay the Rickroll that I'm sure you're all familiar with. If not, the Rickroll is the Rick Astley song "Never Gonna Give You Up," and it's a prank that you can play on friends or family, anything like that. So also, guys, this can be used to send a person to any website that you want, such as a personal website, business website, whatever you may have. So you can send them pretty much anywhere you want to. You just got to be able to copy the link. So I do have two versions of this on my GitHub that you'll see. One of them says no ads fast, and the other one's just like no ads. The reason I've done that is not everybody's computer is going to have the same amount of speed. So if you have a friend or family here, if you're trying to prank, their computer's kind of slow, you may need to increase the delay time so that it has time to actually catch up and be able to run this. So I'm going to label this one as fast. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type GUI, which stands for GUI. That is your graphical user interface. The letter R, that's going to be run. So you're going to tell Windows that you want the run box to pop up. Then we're going to do delay. We're going to do 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. After that, we're going to do string, which is the word that we want at the top. We're going to do Chrome, which is the Google Chrome browser. It'll type that in. Then you're going to delay it again to give it time to type that out. We're going to do 1,500 milliseconds, which is 1.5 seconds. I'm going to tell it to hit enter. We'll delay it again after it hits enter so that it has time to load. We'll do another 1,500. We'll do Alt And then D, this will select the little search bar at the top of the Google Chrome search. You'll do a delay here. We'll do 1500. And then here you're going to put in your string, which is the web address you're wanting to send the person to. So you can pull Chrome back up. Open a new tab. We'll go to YouTube. And we'll do Rickroll ads. Here we go. Alright, so we can pause this. Up top here, you're going to copy this link. So you right click, copy, go back to your notepad. We're just going to paste that link right in here. That'll have that. Then you can hit enter. And then guys, all you got to do is save this file. So we'll do file. We'll save as. Let's do downloads here. We'll just call this Rickroll new. Notice it's saving here as .txt. That's perfectly fine. That's what we wanted to save as. So we'll hit save. Okay, now once you have this script saved, you're going to pull up your Flipper Zero, which is your Q Flipper on your PC. Go back. So inside your Flipper, here along the top, you'll see this little information piece, a little wrench like tools. Then you're going to see this little file manager. Go to this file manager, select your SD card. You'll double click to open that. Then you're going to find your bad USB, which is here. Double click, open it. And here's where you can drag the TXT file that you just made to upload to your SD card for your bad USB. So we'll pull up, let me do upload here. And we will select the file. Let's do downloads for today. Rickroll new. We'll click open. You see that it's added it here. Once you have that, guys, it is saved on your Flipper. So let me go back out. Let me disconnect from here with my Flipper. Now I'm going to run this with my phone via Bluetooth and show you guys how this kind of works once it runs. Okay, so once you're in the Flipper app via Bluetooth, you're going to go to your menu. You're going to select bad USB. Okay. And then you're going to select the file that you made that was .txt. So we go down and pick that one. We'll do Rickroll and we labeled it as new. Okay, and we'll select that. And I'm going to have the option to run. So we'll click on the middle button here to run it. You notice the box pop up, string in Chrome there. Pops up Google. Chrome. And then there you have it. So simple as that, guys. Like I said, you can run pretty much any link that you want to go to. This is completely your choice, whatever you want to edit this to be. Like I said, some people want to send it to their own business, or the bad side of this too, some hackers will send you to a malicious website. So just be afraid of that. You can also use this to dump credential hashes and stuff like that off of a Active Directory environment by certain scripts that you would run to dump the information. So I think if you've seen Mr. Robot, you've seen this kind of run. One of the scenes, the guy gives a girl a rubber ducky and tells her to plug it in for like 15 seconds and pull it out, and it's to dump hashes and usernames and stuff of the network so that they can try to crack those and get credentials to get in. All right, guys, that's all I have. It's pretty simple to make your own files using Notepad for your Flipper Zero. Be sure to check out my other content on Flipper Zero and comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys try this, let me know. And if you have any ideas or something you might want to see, just comment that down below. Thank you.